by passion. Yeah. I keep doing small rides like to 4 corners of the country, Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Kutch to Guwahati, Guwahati, like that. All small events. Great to be here with all of you today. This is our second edition of BGR I am attending in Hyderabad. And I congratulate Sai Ketran for organizing so meticulously last year and also this year. And it's not an easy task to gather so many people, ride through the heavy traffic on a Sunday morning. It's not an easy task. And I wish all the very best for your future endeavors. See why BGR is important. It is a distinguished gentleman's ride. I think I am the only one who is like that. Where is the picture you kept here? No? I'm the only one similar to that. And I am also a gentleman. I request all of you to be a gentleman, not only on the day of BGR ride, 365 days, 24/7. Gentleman means in all your the actions, your thought process, your dealings, everything. One has to be gentleman. So that's why one should carry the message after today's ride, not just for the mental health and prostate the cancer awareness. So coming to why the DGR is organized every year to promote mental health. Why mental health is very important. Mental means it is a bad taboo. Mental means somebody is a psychiatric patient. No, mental health is not absence of any mental illness. It is a sound mind and sound body. If you have a sound mind, your body also will be sound. And your life will be the best. Stay happily, because nowadays in the corporate sector, everything is one has to compete with each other to meet all the goals, lay down targets, objectives. So it's a very kind of rat racing sort of the life. Everybody goes through a lot of the stress. It's a very stressful life. Even to ride from Secunderabad to Hyderabad also it's a stressful experience because of traffic. I don't know why everybody keep on racing. So it's a very stressful life. So mental health is very important. It doesn't happen by speaking. One has to practice the way you live, the way you lead your life. Disciplined life. Discipline starts from the home. From morning you get up from the bed till night. And take care of your body. I keep telling the co-riders, take care of your the bike and take care of your body. So both are equally important. And prostate, it is elderly people who go through this horrific kind of the experience, prostate cancer. So one has to know about why this happens and one has to go through the screening procedures so that it can be detected at the early stage. Whatever the corrective measures can be instituted, they can be taken. So kindly spread this message to everyone, to your friends, to your family members, to your kith and kin. Mental health and the prostate cancer awareness. So I don't want to take much of your time. Look after yourself, stay happily. God bless you and Jai Hind.
Super.